So good afternoon, everyone, and thank you, Madam Usha. My colleague on the dais, Madam Usha Chandar, lead technical healthy workplace program, Ariggo World India Trust, and today's session chairman, and my other fellow colleagues on the dais, and participants of the 73rd Annual National Conference of Indian Association of Occupational Health. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to all of you once again. At the outset, let me thank Indian Association of Occupational Health for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to interact with the distinguished delegates from leading corporates across the India at 73rd Annual National Conference OCCUCON 2023. This is in fact an important platform to deliberate, discuss, and share the best practices on the critical issues of present times, a healthy and sustainable workplace. I'm sure the outcomes of this conference will offer participants with the prospects for transformational change in their respective organizations. The theme of the conference, Workplace Health, Well-being, and Environmental Sustainability for Future-Ready Organizations, is aptly highlights the imperative needs for synergy of occupational health with business. Today, the issue of workplace health extends further beyond enterprises, forcing leaders worldwide to rethink and re-strategize employees' well-being programs and policies. As the leading public sector enterprise of the nation, Indian oil business operation encompasses the entire hydrocarbon value chain. Today, the corporation stands tall with a strong interface with over 50,000 marketing touchpoints, a robust network of refining, pipeline transportations, business development, along with state-of-the-art R&D infrastructure. Our business operations are strengthened with a motivated workforce of more than 31,000 employees and enormous number of business associates, channel partners, and contract workers who contribute towards running the wheels of the nation without a pause, even during the raging pandemic COVID-19. Keeping this huge pool of human resources motivated and inspired has always been a key priority for Indian Oil. We are focused on creating a healthy and safe environment for our employees and all our stakeholders. This particularly gained a new focus during and in the aftermath of COVID-19 pandemics, which clearly demanded formulation of business needs. Indian Oil navigated through the global COVID-19 pandemic with innovative strategies, optimizing its function across the value chain. Going beyond our own boundaries, Indian Oil worked the extra mile to support and care neighboring communities with health and sanitization amenities, apart from ensuring round-the-clock fuel supply across the country. The corporation leaped forward to safeguard the health of its employees and stakeholders by launching a nationwide network of interdivisional COVID coordination centers for their employees to help them during COVID-related emergencies. The team also developed an online medical consultations app for our former employees as well as current employees and their family members to provide them timely medical advice and facilities. The app continues to provide teleconsultations services at a distance location and as all the remote part of Indian Oil Corporation Limited. As you know, Indian Oil works based on pan-India basis, and all the installations even today remotely located starting from Ladakh to Kanyakumari to Arunachal. These programs are in addition to the regular workshops held on healthy lifestyle, managing stress, anger management, healthy eating habits, and etc. COVID was an unprecedented crisis, but in our regular course of work too, Indian Oil locations are equipped with a dedicated team of health and safety professionals who are responsible for workplace health, employee well-being, and environment sustainability. Indian Oil operates the largest number of refineries in India, adapting to a variety of complex refining processes along with the way. For an industry like ours, ensuring an effective fast aid service and emergency preparedness is very, very critical. Our refineries are ISO 45001 accredited with a well-established occupational safety and health management system that comply global OHS standards. Particularly in Indian Oil refineries, which are situated in remote locations in the country, we have set up well-equipped hospital infrastructure assisted by a dedicated team of doctors and paramedical staffs. While efforts are in place for ensuring the safety and comfort to our stakeholders, we must also take care of the external factors that impact the health and fitness quotient, the environment. With the landmark announcement by our chairman, Srikant Madhav Vaidya, about Indian Oil's commitment to achieve the net zero operational emissions by 2046, the corporation continues to have a razor-sharp focus on the strengthening our green resolves. Our bouquet of green fuels is increasing day by day. Some of the pioneering initiatives was the inauguration of Asia's first 2G ethanol plant at Panipat refinery. This one-of-its-kind ethanol plant at Panipat was using the paddy straw as a feedstock, which otherwise are burnt in the fields, and the burnt particle constitute a major source of pollutants. Such waste-to-wealth initiatives are being worked in our corporations in other different areas across the globe, across India. We are also striving to reduce freshwater consumption through the innovative use of treated sewage water for refinery operation. A 20 million liters per day sewage treatment plant at Lakshmi Nagar is near completion for treating sewage water of the town Mathura for using in the refinery purpose. Steps towards majorly using renewable energy in the refinery operations are also in the way. Plans are on the anvil for setting up green hydrogen plant at Mathura and Panipat refinery. I personally believe that health should be addressed as a more of preventive issue rather than a reactive one. We are striving as a future-ready business organization to contribute towards nurturing an environment where people can breathe healthy. As leading organizations, we are focused on bringing greater awareness on health and environment issues among our employees as well. Keeping the mantra, health hai to asli fuel hai, in mind, Indian Oil Desh Ke Liye Fit India campaign has been launched to boost the fitness quotient in addition to the corporate fitness challenge that evokes active participation from all levels of employee. A simple act such as stopping food wastage has immense potential to bring down the greenhouse gas emission by 6 to 8% as waste food goes to the land, and that creates and produces lot of methane. To augment this noble cause, we have initiated a special campaign on stoppage of wastage of food. Extending our core value of care to surrounding communities, Indian Oil undertakes various CSR initiatives in the domain of health and nutrition. One of the noble primary health care initiatives of Indian Oil is the operation of mobile medical units which extend free health checkups and free medicines in the surrounding villages of our refineries and in the rural areas. To conclude, I urge each of you to take forward the learnings from this conference back to your workplaces and your neighboring communities. My best wishes to all of you, and I hope that we create a ripple effect of bringing greater awareness to help achieve organizational success. Jai Hind. Thank you.